I'm Anna with Henrico Recreation and Parks. And as we slide into summer, what is more refreshing than watermelon? I'm going to show you how to make a watermelon pie. The trick with this one is no watermelon. It's still pretty tasty though. So this is one way to make a refreshing watermelon pie and still enjoy your watermelon separate. There are some recipes out there that do include watermelon, so you can look those up if you'd like. Probably about the same flavor, I'm thinking. For this recipe, basically 3 ingredients. Some kind of whipped topping, Cool Whip or whatnot, sweetened condensed milk, a pie crust, and the flavor comes from watermelon Kool-Aid. This is gonna add that flavor to it and give you the watermelon flavor to make your pie extra yummy. So what we start with is the sweetened condensed milk. Just put that in a bowl. This is probably the most easy pie recipe I think I've ever come across. And I had my family taste test it too. I'll tell you what they thought in a minute. So we've got all our sweetened condensed milk. Now we're gonna add our Kool-Aid. So when you open these, you always get a nice whiff, so I try to be careful not to breathe it all in. All right, and we're just gonna whisk that together. Start to blend, and you can see how the colors kind of start turning pink. Gives you that watermelon color, and you can smell it, starting to smell like watermelon. Doesn't take much to get the two blended together. From here, what we're adding is your Cool Whip, or whip topping. I just have generic here, it works. And you're gonna fold this in. I'm gonna save some out just for toppings. So this takes a little bit of time just to fold it in. It looks pretty when you're doing it. It gives you lots of stripes. So if that's what you like, you can keep it that way, or you can just continue to fold it till you get all of it blended. And this might take you more time than it did to get the whisked Kool-Aid into the condensed milk. So now we've got that all folded in, and you just slide that into your pie crust. Smooth it out. And there is your watermelon pie. You can add whipped cream or strawberries to it. That's pretty tasty. I'm gonna let you know. Ooh, very refreshing. My family said it tastes like Laffy Taffy. So, enjoy your watermelon pie, sans the watermelon.